going on, guys? This is Colin here at the UpNorthOutdoors. Today I'm going to be fixing my broken or hanging exhaust on my truck. I've been doing some welding on her. As you can see here, my exhaust is hanging down a bit too much. Looks kind of redneck, kind of ghetto, and it bounces around a bunch when I'm driving. You see I got a broken hanger right there. That's supposed to be up on the frame, so I'm gonna be breaking out the welder today and doing a little bit of welding on her, and hopefully I can get her back up in place and stop her from bouncing. But before I do that, I have to go put these nice fishies that we speared the other day out in the field, because I'm gonna be making a bait pile for a possible coyote hunting we do with my buddies in the next sometime soon. Got the spot where I want to start the bait pile here. I don't know if you can see, but that bush line down there, a bunch of like bulrushes and stuff, that can be a good spot for us to sit. And I'm just gonna put them out a little ways out in the field here, so we can sit in them bulrushes. I've actually deer hunted, I've literally deer hunted just sitting in there those before, and had deer come like within 20 feet of me and never get spooked. Alright, fish have been dropped off at the bait pile. Now it's time to get this exhaust welded up or fixed. I don't know why it's so dark. Yes, so I don't know if all you OBS owners are able to do this, but I'm able to just like pull out my key and keep my truck running. I think it's probably just my starter's like wearing out a little bit, but I don't know. Alright, just got done balling with my brother. Sorry if I'm a little sweaty. What we're doing here is welding this bracket back up onto the frame. Get in here, man. What I'm doing is welding, I'm gonna be welding this bracket. You can see where it broke off right here. Can you see that on there?
No.
Get it closer. Okay, you see that? Can you see that on the camera? Where my finger is?
Yes.
Okay, well that's where my bracket is bolted onto my frame. Stop shaking it. That's where my bracket's bolted onto my frame, and it snapped off right here, you can see. Yep. So I'm gonna have to push this back up there and get it welded on there. I gotta figure out how to get this up. It has to go all the way up there. So gotta get it over first. And it really does not like to go up. It's still not even all the way up. But yeah, so I might have to get like a jack down here or something to push on this to get it up so it can stay up while I weld it. Alright, got my jack, but I'm gonna do something to prop up under it, because it's not quite gonna reach my exhaust. Okay, update. Something happened to all my blocks of wood, I don't know, so my skateboard's the only thing I can find. Skateboard. So, hope this is gonna work. Alright, so I propped up my jack on the skateboard so I can push up the exhaust, so I can hold up the exhaust while I weld it. you can see here, if I can get in here, that broken chunk of bracket up there is lined back up with the other part that broke off. So I'm just gonna try to weld it on there. I'm gonna try to find a nice ground here. Trying to find a good spot to ground this to, but I think I'm just gonna ground it right to my exhaust and hopefully that'll work. Okay, found my tripod. Yeah, found my tripod so I can get the camera down here when I weld. But yeah, this is my setup right now. I got the ground hooked up on the exhaust, skateboard, and floor jack holding it up. Okay, these were some not so good welds, just because it was caked with like an inch of dirt. But yeah, I just kind of tacked her on there. And I kind of tried laying a little bit of a bead across where the bracket broke, but I don't know why something's dripping on me. Okay, but yeah. Don't know why, I don't even know what I was saying. Yeah, water was dripping on me. But anyway, yeah. Moment of truth, I guess. Awesome. No longer hanging down there too bad anymore. I actually saw that guy live. But yeah, while I'm down here, I've got tube that's hanging down here, so I'm gonna fish this up here and see if I can't find a zip tie and tie her up there. Okay, this probably isn't the best spot for it, but I'm gonna zip tie it to I think it's a coolant tube right here, but just lightly. They're all zip tied and good, so that shouldn't be falling down anymore. Yeah, if you guys are wondering why my spare tire is here and not there, it's because I was hauling my bike, dropped it off, be getting that get a new chain sprocket, tire, and then it's been leaking fluid, so they're gonna check that out. Just do an overview because I traded my old red trail bike for a YZ250, and I haven't gone through it yet. And like, I do all that stuff myself, but I just been so busy lately I don't really have the time, and they're not super expensive there, so yeah. Alright, hey guys, before I end this video, I just wanted to let you know that you subscribe, because that'd be cool. And then no, but actually I want to talk about, I'm thinking about maybe making some apparel, some UpNorthOutdoors apparel. Would you guys be interested? I'd make probably some dope shirts, some dope sweatshirts, maybe some hats and stuff. I want to get like a cool logo designed, and I don't know, it'll look good. But if I started making some clothing, make a website and stuff, I want to know if you guys would be interested, if any of you guys would be interested in purchasing some of that. It'd help out. It'd go to support the channel, and I'll probably be wearing it a lot too, just around. But yeah, just throwing that out there. If I start making apparel, if you guys would be interested in that, let me know.